Today, I'm going to demonstrate how absolute beginners can earn significant income on Pinterest through affiliate marketing. This method isn't widely discussed, yet it's accessible and straightforward for beginners. In this video, I'll walk you through every step, explaining how even those with no prior experience or specific skills can implement this strategy immediately and begin making money through affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and jump right into the video. First, I need to give you a brief caution and disclaimer. The method I'm about to explain is very effective and simple to use, accessible to everyone. However, it's important to understand that this approach will not lead to immediate riches. Nevertheless, it provides a solid foundation for those new to online earnings through affiliate marketing, especially within the context of this Pinterest guide. By carefully following these steps, you can achieve your first affiliate commissions. Just watch closely and mimic each step to begin your journey. We are currently on Pinterest.com, which works as a social network similar to Instagram or Facebook, where users share posts. If you're unfamiliar with Pinterest and its functions, it's essentially a platform for sharing visual content. To get started, you'll need to create a free account on Pinterest.com. Just simply click on sign up button and follow the prompts to set up your account. I already have an account, so I'll skip this step. Also, make sure to choose a business account, not personal. Once you have completed the sign up process, we have to identify trending categories, and for that we are going to use trends.pinterest.com. Here you can find the most search and highest interest having keywords. You can either search by selecting top monthly trends. Let me show you how to do that. Just scroll down a bit and click on top monthly trends. Or you can check your own keywords that you have in your mind. In this video, we'll focus on Amazon dresses. It's a niche keyword, but take a look at the graph. This graph shows interest over time, and as we can see, there's interest throughout the whole year, but especially now, this keyword is booming. Scrolling down, we can find related trends, demographics, and even popular prints that we can check out and get some inspiration from. Now head over to TikTok, because on TikTok you are gonna find viral videos that you are going to repost on Pinterest. Yes, that's exactly how you're going to drive traffic to Amazon through your affiliate link. Basically, you need to find a viral video including a dress from Amazon. So we can search by clicking Amazon dress, click enter, and go through these videos and find the one with the highest view count. For example, I found this video. It has a 2.5 million views. So what you're going to do after you find your viral video on TikTok, you have to download it to your computer. Just click on this video. To download this TikTok video, we need to copy the link by clicking here, copy link. Now head over to a website called snaptic.app, paste your link over here and click on download, and download one more time. That is going to download the video to your computer without any watermarks. Now we can go back to our Pinterest account and upload this video straight to our account. Regarding copyright concerns, we will properly attribute the original creator of a TikTok video. As long as we give credit to the creators on Pinterest, reusing the content generally doesn't pose a problem. Also, I always recommend to ask for a permission of this TikTok creator. Remember, acknowledging the original creator is crucial. I'll guide you on how to do this properly later on. One thing that I want to mention is you need to customize your account to your niche. In this video, I'm using one of my test accounts that I use in my videos, in my previous videos, so I'll just post in here. But for you, if you want to do this as your side hustle, as your business, you need to create your account and customize it to your niche. For example, if we are planning to upload dresses from Amazon or different clothes and outfits, we might change our name to Spring Outfits or Clothes from Amazon or something like that. Also change the description, logo and banner. You can create logo and banner with Canva, so it doesn't take a lot of, but make sure to customize your profile to suit your niche. Now the next step is to move over to this section right here and click on create pin. Now choose the file we just downloaded and upload it right here. Notice there's no TikTok watermark. This is why we prefer using the Snaptic website for the video downloads, ensuring the removal of any watermarks. For the title, we can just copy it from the TikTok video. So let's go back to our TikTok and just copy this Amazon milkmaid dresses. Go back to your Pinterest account and just paste it right here. Now for the description, we can generate it with ChatGPT, or now we can find the exact product we are going to promote. You already should know what platform we are going to use in this video according to our keyword. Yes, Amazon. So just create an Amazon Associates account, which takes around 15 minutes, and you should be approved in a day or two, sometimes faster. From there, we can just go straight to Amazon.com and find our product. We can paste the product name right here and try searching for it, for a similar one maybe. And in my opinion, this one looks close enough, so we'll promote this one right here. In this video, I'll show you how to promote a single product, but if you want to see how to build a kit of several products, you can check out my previous video in which I explain how you can create a store of your arranged products and promote all of them with one affiliate link. Now, once you created your Amazon Associates account and you find your product on Amazon.com, you can see a size stripe line at the top of the page. So just click on text, and here's a link, your affiliate link that you're going to copy. And before that, I almost forgot, for the description, we can just copy this name right here and go back to our Pinterest account and just paste it right here. I always recommend to add a few keywords in the description, so we can go back to trends.pinterest.com, just copy this, our main keyword, put a hashtag, paste this keyword over here, maybe search for similar keywords, Amazon must-have clothes, you can copy this one, hashtag, paste it right here, and maybe one more keyword, Amazon outfits, hashtag, and paste it right here. Now go back to Amazon, copy your affiliate link, go back to Pinterest pin and paste that link over here. This is basically good to go. You need your title, you need the description, and your affiliate links. We already added some hashtags, so we are good to go. Alright guys, then you have your title, your description, and your hashtags. There's only one more important step, and that is actually to credit the original creator, as I mentioned in the beginning. So head back to TikTok and just copy the name of this creator. You can click on your profile and copy the name. Go back to your Pinterest pin, add some gaps, and type in credit at and paste that profile name over here. So you credit the original creator, and then all you need to do is click on publish. And this is what you're going to do every single day. Find trending videos on TikTok, download them using Snaptic, and then just re-upload them to Pinterest just like I showed you. Alright, there you have it guys. This is the easiest way to reuse content from TikTok, upload it to Pinterest, and just create as many as you can every day to get traffic. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to follow these steps daily. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried affiliate marketing on Pinterest before? Or is this your first time exploring this opportunity? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on making money online. I'll be sharing more strategies, so stay tuned.